Hello, my name's Richard Jennings from AkzoNobel's Awgirip brand. We've prepared this short presentation to show you our globally available and leading topcoat products and how to choose the best one for you so you can achieve your dream finish. I'd also like to take this opportunity to tell you about some key items which I hope you will find interesting and useful when you do your next Awgirip job. For over 45 years, the Awgirip brand name has been universally trusted and recognised in the yachting world. This reputation has been built upon outstanding quality, our unbeatable finish, and our continuous innovation. We are so recognised within yachting that we're a verb. Yachts are all gripped. With that verb comes the understanding and pride that makes a yacht an all-gripped yacht. A breathtaking finish. Awgirip Topcoats are known in local marinas and boatyards around the world for their mirror-like finish. Superior resistance and durability. Awgirip Topcoats are known for their durability and toughness in the marine industry. Full support from our experts. We have live, local technical support 5 days a week to answer your questions, and we offer local training, technical training programs for new and existing customers of all levels of experience. What makes Awgirip systems unique in the yacht coating world? For decades, we have focused our resources on technology and investment in our research and development programs to create efficient and leading topcoat systems. Scientific expertise really is the heart of our business, and this in turn enabled us to research and develop trusted technologies and product range. Due to our specialist know-how, we've been able to develop efficient and effective use of our key components used in our systems, from the tried and tested Awgrip and Allcraft range to our Allcraft SE, the Yacht revolutionary base coat and clear system. We have thousands of colours in solid and effect finishes. And now our newest Awgrip HDT, high definition technology that delivers unrivaled appearance and superior protection, and that is VOC compliant in all colours. These Awgrip topcoats are adaptable to a customer's application needs and desired finish, and have been proven to be popular and demanded on yachts of all sizes. Awgrip has a range of leading, globally available topcoat options that allow for applicators, owners, captains, project managers, boatyards, and OEM to select the one that best suits their application, colour, and in-service performance needs. In this chart, we've listed attributes of each topcoat and then assessed them against each other on important criteria, from distinction of image, commonly called DOI, to solvent resistance. 5 filled in circles means it's rated the best. Awgrip Topcoat is your choice if you want a hard and long-lasting finish, and has been the standard in topcoats for yachts for many years. This means Awgrip Topcoat is a good fit for hulls and decks. Awgrip Topcoat is also our only finish with brush and roll capabilities. Allcraft would be the preferred choice if you know your yacht is going to be aggressively used and you need to repair and maintain by polishing and buffing. This means it's a good fit for super yacht superstructures and sportsfish style boats. Allcraft SE is your first choice for metallic and effect finishes, for finishes that you want to easily maintain and repair if needed, and if you want to apply multiple colours per day. Allcraft SE's dual clear coat options with HDT and Allcraft Clear make it ideal for a wide variety of areas. Awgrip HDT, our newest finish, is a combination of the benefits of Awgrip Topcoat and Allcraft, a durable finish that is easy to maintain if required. It can be used anywhere above the waterline. Warranties on complete Awgrip systems are available, and please reach out to your local Awgrip sales representative for more information on warranties and to help assist with the best topcoat to meet your needs. There's an Awgirip finish for any of your application procedures, whether it's connected to drying times or your VOC restrictions. The Awgirip systems that consist of build primers, fillers and finishing primers are designed to deliver the best finish, and this is why it's important to use the proper systems prior to the application of your chosen Awgirip topcoat. Applying any Awgirip finish system requires following the specific product preparation and application instructions that are found on the product labelling and technical data sheets. Awgirip coatings are designed specifically for the pleasure craft industry and provide chemically cured finishes that are resistant to abrasion, chalking, corrosion and chemical attack. Only a complete Awgirip coating system will provide these characteristics. Do not incorporate any thinners, additives, modifiers, converters, primers, or related products that is not specified by Awgirip into any Awgirip system. Such substitutions can jeopardize the unique characteristics of the Awgirip system, resulting in poor aesthetics and premature failure of the system. Please contact Awgirip so we can assist you throughout your project with tips on preparation, application and maintenance. Awgirip's topcoats come in over 20,000 solid, metallic and pearl colour options and with a different colour technology platform. For example, for Awgirip HDT we use a toner system where we can do a wide array of colours like a deeper black that we call extreme black. We factory produce most popular colours so we can maintain a consistent supply on the high volume colours for you. Our Allmix custom colour matching process allows you to be inspired in your colour choice, and our local distributors friendly mixing system allows for the quick turnaround on your inspired colour choice. We can also custom colour match if you cannot find the colour you're looking for in our database. All of the Awgirip finish colours are available on mixitcloud.com, our global colour database, and can also be found via AllMatch, our newest solid colour measuring and searching tool that is incredibly easy to use. Since 1966, Norwegian boat builders Windy Boats have been a leading name in sports cruisers and yachts. With a shared dedication to performance and aesthetics, Awgirip and Windy make for natural partners. The pictured SR52 Blackbird is painted with Allcraft SE in crystal silver, metallic and superjet black and Allcraft 2000 clear coats. Motor Yacht Melinda's captain and project manager says our goal was to find a solution to the premature fading of darker colours with a coating that could be repaired if necessary. The product has already exceeded our expectation in terms of appearance. It's even smoother than we expected, with minimal orange peel, elevated gloss levels, no signs of micro scratching, and really exceptional distinction of image. Motor Yacht Melinda's hull is painted with Allcraft SE Stars and Stripes blue, and its boot stripes are painted with Allcraft SE Claret and Matterhorn white. All three were clear coated with Awgirip HDT. Motor Yacht Windrush needed a refit towards the end of 2018. The captain said, "We were told by the captain of another recently refitted vessel that Awgirip had launched a new paint, Awgirip HDT, and we were looking to test it. So we sat down with AkzoNobel, the applicator and the owner, and after just one conversation, everyone knew that Awgirip HDT was the product for us. The colour on Motor Yacht Windrush that you see glistening in the photo is snow white." Whether your vessel is a centre console, sailboat, sport fish, cruiser or super yacht, there's an Awgirip finish for you. If you are interested in finding out more, please reach out to your Awgirip distributor, your local Awgirip sales representative or on awgirip.com. As always, thank you for your time.